Hey guys, what's up? Double Deuce here. I come with an important video here. Okay? Don't get scammed. There's a lot of websites out there scamming people over the Sisson V8 model, the $79 model. They're marking them up and then discounting them and all this stuff. And they're actually showing my videos on there, and that really went up my ass. I'm sorry. And it was weird. I was on Facebook and they got Johnny Q90s. They got everybody's video they've stolen and put on there, and then when you click on the website to buy, it's that plastic model for $79 or $180, you know. And it shows all the kit that STIRLINGKIT sells. Engine DIY sells it. Those are the only two trusted websites. Okay? Don't go anywhere else. Go STIRLINGKIT.com or ENGINEDIY.com. Now, I'm going to show some pictures here, and I'm going to put scam right across the front of the ones that were scams. Okay? And then I'm going to show you the last two that are the official websites to buy, STIRLINGKIT.com and ENGINEDIY.com. You always know because they have just their own advertisement there. It's not stolen video from other people. So, anyways, here we go. I'm going to put these down, and, you know, I'm not going to narrate. I'm just going to show you and show you the scams, okay? So you see all them advertisements and all that stuff, they're showing the actual engine that runs, which is $2 grand, okay? And they're taking advantage of people. So please share this video with everybody you know that's in the hobby. Put it on Facebook, put it on TikTok, put it everywhere, because Black Friday's coming up and I don't want to see our fellow hobbyists get taken. Okay, we work hard for our money, and these scumbags out there are stealing our property and ruining our hobby and taking advantage of it. So, a lot of these people I've already searched, and I know where you are. I know where you sleep. So, remember that. Adios, loved all, except the scammers.